A2 Flyers Scoring, Understanding the Basics. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the A2 Flyers overview, focusing on a critical area, the scoring and assessment criteria. If you're preparing for this exam or simply curious, you're in the right place. A2 Flyers, part of the Cambridge English exams, is designed for young learners. It's the third and final step in the Cambridge English Young Learners series, following the Starters and Movers tests. While it might be for young students, understanding its scoring system is key to excelling. The A2 Flyers test assesses listening, reading, writing, and speaking abilities. Here's a breakdown. Listening. This section is divided into several parts, with each requiring learners to listen and demonstrate their understanding by coloring, drawing, or selecting the right option. Reading and writing. Here, students read short texts and demonstrate their comprehension. They might have to write short responses or even a small story. Speaking. In this part, students converse with an examiner, answering questions and discussing pictures. Now, how are these sections assessed? 1. Shield scoring. Instead of regular marks, students receive shields as their scores. They can earn up to 5 shields for each section. More shields mean better performance. 2. Pass criteria. There's no pass or fail. Instead, the focus is on identifying areas of strength and areas that need improvement. So, every learner is celebrated for their effort. 3. Feedback. Along with shields, students receive valuable feedback. This helps them, and you, understand which skills to work on next. Wondering how to understand the shields? 1 to 2 shields. This suggests that there are quite a few areas to improve in that particular section. 3 shields. A decent performance, but there's room for improvement. 4 to 5 shields. Excellent. The student has a good grasp of the section and is likely ready for the next level. And there you have it. An overview of the scoring and assessment criteria for the A2 Flyers exam. Remember, it's all about progress and understanding where you are, so you can get to where you want to be. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.